Welcome to our van life with our three dogs, episode 83. We are back in Joshua Tree, California, but this time with our Storyteller Overland. Join us as we go around exploring the area, and we thank you all for watching. Joshua Tree National Park, but we are staying at an Airbnb since we have three dogs with us.
Today we are relaxing at the house, playing the pool, hanging out with our family that we're staying at the house with. Tomorrow we're going into the park.
It's currently 83 degrees here at nearing Joshua Tree, and it's been a smooth, comfortable ride. We did leave around 6 in the morning to head out here since we have a total of 7 hours and 30 minutes of driving to do. We made it to our Airbnb. Sean is opening the door. I am gonna turn the AC on for a bit while we're getting everything unloaded so that the dogs will be comfortable. We'll bring them inside right away. I wanted to show you these two bobbleheads I got. It's Jabba and Yoda. Chewbacca is not a fan of the bobbleheads because I think she's a little weirded out, but I got these from Cuddle Clones and I think they're gonna be settling here. This will be their spot. Yoda looks a little bit like, this bobblehead of Yoda looks a little bit like him, but his nose is just a little too big. Yoda does have a very small face, or did have a very small face. I'll put pictures to compare them side by side. And then Jabba's snout is a little bit short. It is a good size, or they did capture the correct size of his snout. It's just that his snout is longer than that. And every time I look at Yoda's face, it does remind me of him when he gets this mischievous look on his face. And then Jabba just looks like he is hungry, which he always is. So I wanted to get the bobblehead version of them so that they can stay here in the van every time we travel. It is still a little bit hard for me to talk about them. I still grieve over them since we lost Jabba back in June. It's September now, and we lost Yoda around August, just before August. So yeah, actually they were 2 months apart when they passed. Jabba first and then Yoda. Both had health issues where they just started to deteriorate and get weaker and weaker, and we knew it was time to put them down. They were 17 years old. So I'm gonna go inside the Airbnb and put our stuff inside so that these little girls can get settled and start playing, since we've been on the road for about 7 to 8 hours. We did bring the van, even though we are staying at Airbnb, because we wanted to be comfortable during our drive, and in case we do decide to stop somewhere and spend the night somewhere. So we'll go ahead and go inside. Right now it's 79 degrees in the van, and I turned up the AC so that we all can be comfortable unloading the van. So see you soon. And here's my Bailey Boo. This is Bail Organa. For you guys who are new to our channel or just tuning in to watch, this is little Bail Organa. She is 5 months old. Very curious. Alright, let's go inside. Come on, Bo. This is the pool, small pool, hot tub. Come on. Do you need to potty?
Yeah, let me potty first.
Okay. Ooh, very nice. Okay, come on.
Come here.
So here is the backyard. We don't know how deep the pool is, but Boba, be careful that you don't fall in.
Yeah, Bail might fall in.
We'll go take once we've unpacked the van and moved stuff in, we'll enjoy some pool time here. So what we like to do when we do stay at Airbnbs is check out the fence to make sure that there's poo-poo here. So to make sure that there are no holes between the fence and the ground, because when Boba was young, she ran off into the neighbor's backyard. So we do consider that when we are looking for Airbnbs to stay, because we don't want our dogs running away. Okay, so this is the living room.
You got Bail?
Yeah, this door is locked. I think this is the garage. So you can do laundry in here. And this is nice. Bedroom over here. Bathroom. And another bedroom. You want to stay upstairs? I guess they probably want to stay close to each other.
Yeah.
Okay. And let's go upstairs. Sean said the kitchen is upstairs.
Kitchen is upstairs.
So this is the main living area. Kitchen. Let's look at the living room first. Bathroom. So looks like a half a bathroom. And there's a grill. Balcony. TV.
Boba.
Come here, Bo. Boba likes to go on the couch. Boba, come here. Where's Chewbacca?
Huh?
You left her downstairs?
I thought you had her.
And master bedroom. Shower. And closet. Extra bed. And toilet. All right. I am gonna put the phone down so that we can bring all our stuff in, and we will show you guys around more later, but this is a really nice place.
What's up, everybody? So this is a nice perk of not always staying in the van, but we're with family this weekend outside Joshua Tree, and we got an Airbnb with a nice pool, cool little view of the mountains, and really cool area. So up around, you'll see it's like got a upstairs and a cool downstairs, and just a nicely put together house in what looks like a pretty safe neighborhood. We are taking our Storyteller Mode LT to Joshua Tree for the first time. Our first time ever here, we were hanging out with our family member's Subaru, so we're hopeful to get some cool footage of the Storyteller against the beautiful backdrop of the Joshua Tree landscape.
It'll be our second time in Joshua Tree. It is currently 81 degrees, it's saying, but I think it's supposed to get up to 89, 90 degrees today, so that's why we decided to bring the van instead of carpooling with family, since we have the 3 dogs with us. So we'll probably be at Joshua Tree for a couple of hours and then grab lunch or go back home to the Airbnb and cook some lunch for everybody.
Yep, we have enough stuff to do a little picnicky snacks while we're in the park. That's going to be a butterfly or a moth.
I'm about to wear different shoes.
I used to do that. I used to travel to
Storyteller in
Joshua
Tree. Let me do it. Just on the other side of that rock, they're doing some climbing access, Hemingway buttress. Pia doing some 360 filming. So the Hemingway climbing buttress behind me is very popular with climbers. It's actually rare that there's nobody climbing. But it's a Sunday and it is football season. You can see a couple of the climbing areas. So many cool rock formations to scamper around on. Just got to make sure you can get back. Hi, Bab. We are here at the Keys View and check out this view. I like your shave, Mr. Austin.
Thank you so much.
Helps you see the dinosaurs better. are we?
Joshua Tree.
Keys View. And look at this view
People walk.
of Coachella Valley. Wow. It's a good time to come, Sunday, end of September. It's been way busier the last time I came here.
It's about half a mile. It's about half a
Yeah, I like this hike a lot. Oh, careful. Not here, yeah. Ranchers needed water for their stock. They dug wells, improved springs. This area began. Yep. You're taking half a Joshua tree with you in your car.
Hi everyone, so we are nearing the end of our Joshua Tree expedition. We are stopped at Skull Rock at the moment. Bail Organa is fast asleep. She is snoring away, and the two girls, Chewbacca and Boba, are in the back. Boba and Bail. Bail is falling asleep. She's got really sleepy eyes. That's one of her best features is her eyes. And you can notice when she gets sleepy eyes. She's tired because she's been running around the backyard.
We'll spin. Spin over. Austin, ready?
Boba loves the water. She does want to go inside the pool. And then there is Chewbacca.
This is our last night at Joshua Tree. We're hanging out in the game room. Some beanbag chairs, pool table in the game room. This is a really great idea for an Airbnb when it cools down at night or in the morning. Have a little garage. This house is set up nicely. Have a TV. Can watch the game. And we got the Bail exploring everything. All right, Bail. We're heading out tomorrow, but we still got a fun night ahead.
She's got sleepy eyes.
Yeah, Bail.